Today we're checking out the RedRock Door Hinge Set in textured black for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK 4-doors. If your factory hinges are oxidized, worn out, or just making the doors look rough, this is one of those upgrades that cleans up the whole side of the Jeep instantly, so it's definitely worth looking into. This is an OE style hinge set made to replace your worn or rusted factory hinges, which is exactly what you need once those original hinges start corroding, staining, or just looking old. One big feature is that it's just going to refresh the look of the doors and helps everything get back to looking straight and clean again instead of that weathered hardware look that stands out against a nice paint job. It's also a smart move if you're dealing with the door alignment feeling a little off, or you just want to tighten up the overall feel when you open and close those doors. The texture black powder coat finish is a big reason people pick this set because it matches a lot of other black trim on the JK and it gives the Jeep a tougher, more updated look without being too flashy. And since it's designed as a direct fit replacement set, you're getting something that's meant specifically for the JK 4-door so they look right at home like they're from the factory once they're on. When it comes to the construction on this, you're going to be getting rugged steel hinges finished in a quality textured black powder coat finish. So you get solid strength plus better corrosion resistance for the long haul. This powder coat finish also gives it that clean factory plus look that holds up a lot better than just some raw hardware over time. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the low $200 price range. That's a solid value for a full hinge set refresh that replaces tired factory hardware and gives you a clean, durable finished look, especially compared to dealing with rusted hinges that keep getting worse and are cheaper pieces that don't hold up to the test of time. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in 2 hours of your time. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our ExtremeTerrain customers.
Tools that were used: 3/8 socket with a 13mm, T50 Torx, and 6 Allen wrench. I'm going to have to take off the hinges here first while the door is hanging, while the door is on. And I'll pull those back and I'll take the door off, put that aside, and then I'll go after the hinges. Whereas you're actually supposed to take and maybe have another person and take the hinges off of the pillar, and then you bring that over and then take the hinges off there. So we're going to get at that. Use my 3/8 drive, the T50. Catch it. Well, nice all a mistake. I didn't have the strap undone. Forgot about that. I'll go back after it again. Strap is off. Disconnection made. Now the door come off. We need to remove the hinges. Three on the upper one. Two bolts on the lower one. Allen wrench. the most fun. Put the doors on. Well, in my discovery of things that could go wrong, I didn't keep these released enough, the hinges that are on the actual body of the car. And so I was having space in there and I couldn't get it down. I released this top one, the one that's on the body of the car, and then the whole door kind of sank down like it was supposed to, and I was able to reattach. Doing that means that I'm able to hit just in the right spot for the door to shut, lining up all the body panel the way it's supposed to be.
That wraps up our review and install of the RedRock Door Hinge Set in Texture Black for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK 4-doors. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.